Carefully remove the dust cover from the machine. This will give you access to all the components you need to maintain. The waste disposal area is located on the left side of the machine. Always wear protective gloves when doing the daily maintenance. Here you'll find the waste disposal container, which collects all the excess ink. Begin by disconnecting the ink tubing. Gently remove the ink tube and place it on an absorbent cloth to prevent any spills. Next, locate the second pipe. Carefully remove this pipe slowly, as ink may still be inside. Once both tubes are detached and resting on the cloth, proceed to remove the container from the machine. All your collected ink waste is stored in this container. Before you continue, prepare a spare waste container. This will be used to safely dispose of the collected ink in accordance with your local environmental regulations. Take the spare empty container and the full waste container you removed from the machine. Remove both caps. Cover the opening of the full waste container with a cloth or your gloved hand to avoid any accidental spillage. Slowly pour the ink into the spare disposal container until the original container is completely empty. Thoroughly clean the outside of the machine's waste container and its cap with appropriate cleaning materials. Once clean, securely place the cap back onto the machine's waste container. Place the cleaned waste container back into the waste disposal area on the left side of the machine. Start by reconnecting the larger ink tube. Insert it firmly into the designated hole on the container to ensure a tight fit. Then attach the ink tubing. This tube connects to the top of the lid. Push it down securely until it reaches the bottom of the container. This prevents it from dislodging during operation. Next step, located on the right side of the machine, these are your ink cartridges, which supply ink to the print heads. Remove and shake all the white ink cartridges and then reinstall them. Weigh each cartridge to ensure it still contains enough ink. If a cartridge weighs 200 grams or less, it should be replaced with a new one. Be sure to weigh all cartridges individually to confirm there is sufficient ink in each before continuing operation. Note: if you are working with the latest ArtisJet models, there is no need to weigh the cartridges manually, as these machines feature a built-in ink level monitoring. Check the print bed and remove any items or materials that may be on it. Power on the printer and allow it to complete its self-check. After initialization is complete, the screen will display "Printer is ready." Now it's time to place clear tape on the print bed, exactly as demonstrated. This will be used to check the status of the nozzles. Raise the print bed all the way to the top for the auto position function. Press auto position. Perform a nozzle check using the ArtisJet software on the computer. The printer will now perform a nozzle check. Compare the printed pattern to the ArtisJet software to see if your pattern matches the correct result. If your printed pattern came out correctly, then it means you don't have to clean the print head and you are ready to start printing. But if your pattern printed incorrectly, it means a cleaning is needed. If your pattern is incorrect, click on Clean Head in the ArtisJet software. Or you can also perform a cleaning using the keypad on the machine. The cleaning process is now in progress. Once a cleaning is complete, perform another nozzle check. If the printed pattern is still incorrect, you'll need to proceed with the nozzle troubleshooting procedure. We have a dedicated video available to guide you through that process. If the cleaning is successful, you're ready to start printing. When running full production, it's important to perform a cleaning every 2 hours to maintain optimal print quality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more maintenance tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.